Jodie, Kai's filming me. We're the gas girls from the gas showroom in Chatswood. This is called a bayonet point. This is what you plug an unflued gas heater into. If you've got one of these at home but you don't have a heater, buy it through us. We can deliver it to you, or you can pick it up from the shop, and you will get a $150 rebate while stocks last. It's never been offered before. You want to be warm and cosy this winter. You're spending a lot of time at home. So if you come in and see us girls, we can arrange everything for you. Just give us a buzz. Okay, thank you. Bye.